Hey guys, latest news with crypto Marie local and international. Nvidia to report second quarter earnings expecting $8 billion hit from China chip ban. You know what what stock I saw was going up last week? NEO. I love NEO. I remember in 2021 NEO was the it stock. $62. Now it's $5. I mean, I don't have the fund now, but whenever I have something available, I'm gonna add as much as I can because China is taking over in EV cars, and I know, if I can afford to have 500 to 1,000 NEO one day, it might be able to retire me. That's why I'm gonna do the best I can to add as much as I can whenever they have a sale on NEO. Nvidia will close out big tech's earnings season when it reports its second quarter results after the bell on Wednesday. The report comes after a flurry of moves between the company and the Trump administration, which saw Trump revokes his prior ban on the sale of Nvidia's chips to China, but will now require the AI giant to pay the government a 15% cut of sales into the country. Trump initially banned the sale of chips to China in April and dropped the ban in July, adding the 15% fee in August during its quarter one earnings call. Nvidia said it expects to take an $8 billion hit to its bottom line in quarter two. That's not easy. Trump also announced he will place a 100% tariff on semiconductor shipments into the U.S. unless companies commit to build in the country. Nvidia should be exempt from the tariffs. Nvidia shares were up 35% year to date and 40% over the past 12 months. As of Monday, in July, Nvidia became the first company to see its market capitalization top $4 trillion. For the quarter, Nvidia is expected to report adjusted earnings per share (EPS) of $1.01 on revenue of $46.2 billion, according to the Bloomberg analyst Census estimates. The company saw adjusted EPS of 0.68 cents and revenue of $30 billion in the same quarter last year. That works out to 49% and 53% year over year EPS and revenue growth, respectively. The company saw 151% EPS and 122% revenue improvement in quarter two last year. Nvidia's EPS and revenue growth have moderated over the past few quarters. Different commander-in-chief, different tariffs, different things going on. A lot of people are going to suffer the blow. Oh, Jesus. Evercore ISI analyst Mark Lipsis projects Nvidia's growth will bottom out at 50%, which could help attract more momentum investors and translate to multiple expansion. Again, this is the latest on Nvidia. If you invest in it, you should be able to get some information at Yahoo News. Data center revenue for Q2 is expected to top out at $41.2 billion versus $26.2 billion in the prior year period. Gaming, Nvidia's second largest segment, is expected to hit $3.8 billion. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.